Hey everybody, Joey K in the building. Today we are in Kigali, Rwanda, and I want to show you the power of policy, the power of progressive policy. Rwanda, a couple of years ago, added some super cool EV policies. They removed import duties and taxes on electric vehicles. They removed import duties on charging stations and a lot of stuff, and also tax incentives for companies doing EVs in Rwanda. And one of the companies that's leading the charge that took up the opportunities presented by progressive policy is Kabisa. Now, this is the new Kabisa EV house. It's just been opened. Let's take a look and see the power of positive policy. Just walking in, you can see some Verizon commercial vehicles. One of my favorites, the Leap Motor T03, the Ridara from Kigali. Shout out to Ash from Kigali. This is in a super cool color as well. Let's take a look inside and see what it looks like inside. It's a super cool pickup, fully electric. You know, Africans are crazy about pickups, so this is a welcome addition to have a fully electric pickup. If you look inside, it feels kind of cool. Oh, nice thud when you close the door. Let's switch it on. Nice soft finishing here. Nice leather seats, wireless charging, cup holders here. There's your shifter. Nice seats, ventilated. Wonder if they have heating. I'll check. Nice seats in the back as well. Let's check what it looks like in the bed. So it's a pickup, it's fully functional. This is what you get in the back. Decent ground clearance. Of course, the battery pack is underneath here somewhere. And of course, a BYD, one of the leaders in electric vehicles globally. Charging stations. Let's get inside and let Mary tell us all about it. So this is Mary. She's operations manager from Kabisa. Hi Mary, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I was just telling the people that Rwanda has some of the most progressive policies on EVs anywhere in the world. So I'm saying now we have people like Kabisa who are really supporting by coming into the Rwandan market. And I'm just amazed at the number of models you have.
Yes.
So can you quickly take us through a few and maybe the other areas around as we walk around?
Of course.
Yeah.
Be my guest. So we have different models. As you can see inside here, we have passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles. Starting here, this is a BYD Sound Plus, and all our cars are 100% electric. This is one of the pickups. You want to check inside?
It's locked.
It's locked. I'll get the key. But and yeah, we are making life easier here, cleaner mobility.
This is a Cadillac Optic.
Yes, Cadillac Optic.
85 kilowatt-hour battery.
Yeah, right.
So it says 120 million. What's that?
120 million Rwandan francs.
Okay, how much is that in dollars?
That's around 80,000 USD.
That's not bad.
Yes,
That's pretty cool.
something like that.
Yeah.
And then we have the famous pickup radar here, and we have had tours with this car. We recently, actually this is the second time making our way to Kenya, and this is the pickup that we have used.
So you drove from
All the way
Kigali,
from Kigali
to Nairobi.
to Nairobi.
How many kilometers
Yes.
is that?
I'm not sure. I would have to calculate, but this is the pickup that we use.
Oh, okay. The
Yeah.
same one.
Yes. No, not the same one. It's the same model.
It's the same
Not
model.
This one, but
The same model.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how has been the reception on the Rwanda market in terms of EVs?
I mean, it has been really good, given the Rwandan market. Really, the response has been really good. Well, it's not what we want yet, and we know we can do better. But we really can't say that. We really can't say that the market has been really good, and we are pushing day to day, focusing on businesses, helping them save more. Coming to business, you will see some of our commercial vehicles here. We have vans, we have trucks, we have buses. So you see these ones. We have a couple of companies that have bought these ones.
I saw on the drive here, Spar, the supermarkets, they bought
Yes,
one of these.
yes,
So I
they
think,
bought-
yeah, it's very good for commercial operations.
It is. The testimonies are really good from these companies. They have really helped save at least 80% and more.
Wow.
what
Yeah.
they're spending on a fuel
And I see
cars.
you've done the maths on this vehicle here
Yes.
to showcase the savings.
Exactly. This is within Kigali.
Uh-huh.
From here, Kigali city to Musanze, which is 3 hours away, 94 kilometers. You can only spend 208,050. Yet, if you were using a fuel car, you would spend something 15,000 Rwandan francs.
Wow, that's a huge saving.
Exactly. So yeah, really people should move to electric cars.
Electric cars,
Yeah.
nice.
This
Yeah.
is the future, and yeah.
So, how do you support people taking up electric cars? Do you have charging stations anywhere in Kigali?
Yes, so Kabisa, we cover the whole ecosystem. We sell electric cars. We have charging stations across the country, and we are setting more across East Africa, Africa as well. And we also have maintenance. So going to chargers, we have chargers across the country. We have superchargers. We are the first to build the supercharger, and it can accommodate up to 6 cars and charge within 30 minutes or even
Wow.
less. So yeah, we are trying to make sure that an EV owner is always within 100 kilometer away to
A charger.
station.
That makes
Yeah.
sense. So then no one has to worry about range anxiety.
No, not at all.
So I see you've got many brands here. You don't really stick to one brand. You've got BYD, you've
Yeah.
got the Woolings, you've got Baojun and Wooling.
Exactly.
And then you've got the Radar,
The Radar.
Verizon from the Geely Group.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're right. This is our diagnostic bay.
Uh-huh.
We have a team that we work with in China. So this is where we solve some of the challenging problems that we could have in our electric vehicles. Yeah, so it's solved here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And like I told you that we do maintenance. This is our garage. This is where we do some of the repairs on our electric vehicles for other partners on the market that have electric vehicles.
So you're saying someone who buys EVs, electric cars in Rwanda, doesn't have to worry because you're looking at the ecosystem. You bring the car, you put the charging stations, and you maintenance
maintain it.
and backup and service.
Right.
Ah, perfect. So this is your EV workshop.
This is our EV workshop.
So you are taking the customer and making sure that they are assured that
Exactly.
everything is okay.
taken care of.
They can relax.
Exactly.
No drama, no stress about where will I get the parts, where will I charge, I won't be stranded.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. We are
Oh.
covering the whole ecosystem.
And I was driving, it's my first time in Kigali, I was driving around and I love the terrain. It's like hilly and you go up and down, which is perfect for electric cars because you're always regenerating, recuperating some of your energy back.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Mary, for your time.
You're welcome.
Yeah. And
So you're very welcome to Rwanda. Welcome to Kabisa.
thank you. I love what you guys are doing here. Keep it up. I'm excited about this.
Thank you.
Yeah, cool.